Hello, hello, am I heard? I think stream's muted. Yeah, I'm back. I'm back. My bad. I know I was missing something. What's up? What's up? What's up, boys? What's Gucci? Am I heard? Can y'all hear me? Yeah, yeah, yeah. What's up? All right, all right, all right, all right. Let's look at the charts. Let's review the charts. Damn, we're dumping. We are hella dumping. Let me go ahead and look at the news. I don't think we have news right now. Yeah, it's all yellow carpet news. Fuck, not too nice. Not gonna lie. There's this big ass gap right here, which we learned that this needs to be treated as an imbalance that needs to be filled eventually. Um, we're quick dumping. Let's see what ES is doing. Let me go ahead and look. It's dumping as well. 5 minute. Let's mark out our zones. Uh, 5 a.m. Damn. So okay, this is a very likely possibility that this low gets taken right here, since it's London low consolidating right here, and then we have midnight over here. Oops. We have midnight right here. And then we have, if I'm being real, Asia high is probably like up here, you know? Say this high. So, not gonna lie, we're obviously a little bit more bearish. What's up? What's up? What's up to everybody just joining up? Join the live stream. Join the live stream on YouTube, boys. Um, I've learned to trade with the trend, and we're hella bearish, so we can keep a daily bias. This is actually good that we're manipulating higher. This could easily be a liquidity run for us to take the liquidity. Let me go ahead and get my famous take the liquidity, and we crush through it. I'm expecting those London lows to get taken. ES still doesn't take the London lows either. My TP got hit. Good shit, brother. Damn, fucking market just started. It was Silver Bullet. Silver Bullet isn't for another 15 minutes, no, or am I tripping? We want to see. Wait, I forgot to put on my Discord. My bag. Give me a second. Join up, Emmy, join up the live stream. Nico, join the live stream, brother. I need you in the live stream. Join up. Join the live stream. Let's get them viewers up. We're about to trade the macro. We are about to trade the macro. The macro's about to start in a few. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nothing for me yet. We're waiting for the macro. We want to see maybe these highs get taken. And then we want to see a change in the state to the downside, targeting the equal lows right here. We want to see it manipulate. We want to see it take those highs. Because we have a bearish bias. This could very well be the manipulation. ES already took these highs that I marked out here. ES took the highs. NQ has not. Let's go to the 1 minute. NQ has not taken the highs. Right here. Want to see a displacement. There's SMT. If it doesn't get tapped, there's SMT. I could definitely consider it to be the turtle soup. But we're waiting. We're patient. We go ahead and start recording. Might take a trade. We might take a trade. Need more confirmation though. Let's look at the 5 minute. Let's look at the 3 minute. We need some more confirmation. We're waiting though. We're patient. Damn, it's cold as fuck in here, dog. It's cold as. I can't do nothing about it though. Just gotta shiver. All right. So NQ is still resisting to take that liquidity. This is a sign that it still wants to go deeper. NQ still wants to take this draw right here. That's a good sign. Let's get the 1 minute. Let's look at the 2 minute. We had no CRT. We're looking. We want some type of confirmation. Small end changing the state here, maybe. We'll see. We're bearish, boys. We have a bearish bias. Um, Fuck, I don't know. It's scary, because we're deep in the range. Here in the 4 hour, we're deep in the range. Taking this imbalance and rejecting it, it could very well be a ploy to come and manipulate into this 4 hour. You Got to see both ways, you know. Got to see both narratives manipulated into this 4 hour FVG. So this could give us like a bullish bias. What broker you use? I'm using Top Step to trade. It's a prop firm. Top Step, Top Step. So given that, kind of bearish. Like we want to see these lows get taken. If I'm being real, since it's London lows. We're getting the change in state. We're getting a 2 minute CRT. Might be sketchy, but I'm definitely looking to short here in 20 seconds. I'm gonna do low cons. I'm not really too confident in this trade, but low cons. Let's do 3.
Order filled.
The high, and the low. Let's see what happens. Oh boy. Probably not my best entry. Let's see. Probably took it a little bit too early. Early CRT. Yeah, this still wants to continue to go bullish. Maybe I forced the trade a little too early. We get stopped out. We get stopped out. Yep, we're out. We're out of it.
Order filled.
We're out of that fucking trade. Damn, that was a quick loss. Should have waited for more confirmation. Damn, were we not gonna get stopped out there? We're waiting. Damn, that was. Yo, I'm starting my second Top Step account soon. When I start training, how many cons should I use? How many trains should I take per day to keep a good risk reward ratio? So if you're gonna start like a new combine account, um, if you're a beginner, I would suggest you trade 5 cons at most, and you should move between like from 5 to 2 cons, depending on where your stop loss is. In this example, I'm trying to risk around 250 per trade, between 250 or 500 per trade, but this is a funded account, you know. Um, Usually you don't want to be taking like too long on the combines. You want to pass them quick, but since you're just starting, I would suggest get those good habits of trading low cons and risking about $200 per trade, 150, and look for 2 to 1s, 3 to 1s, risk reward. Never 1 to 1. I would do 2 to 1, 3 to 1. Um, Usually what I do is I do one trade per macro. Right now I already took a trade, which was terrible. We take one trade per macro. Let me go ahead actually let me let me journal it as we speak. Damn, I got the very bottom. We're aiming for like a 2. I mean, bias was bearish. We thought the low was gonna get taken. We're gonna have to wait. We're gonna have to be patient again. I ain't stressing. Let's go ahead and journal this real quick. Oh boy. Yeah, this was an easy bullish. We had that bullish bias looking pretty clean. It's looking pretty darn clean. Let's go ahead and journal. Oh boy, same thing. This was taking the 1 minute. Yeah, this is a big lesson right there. My bias was bearish and I took a short, which was wrong. First macro. Today's date is 11/04/25. I'll fix that right now. Let me see. 15. There we go. It's a Tuesday. Yellow carpet news. We took a CRT entry. We took it with the trend. And there was actually SMTs at the highest. Man, I can't be too mad, you know? Maybe I needed some higher time frame. Some more higher time frame confirmation. Just, it is what it is. It is what it is. Oh yeah, it's just pumping. It's pumping. It is pumping. Want to see maybe midnight get taken? Maybe Asia highs? Yeah, this was the manipulation right here to the upside after tapping that imbalance. New York wants the trend. It's I've been struggling with taking like counter trend trades. Like for example, me taking the long here would have been with the counter trend because we've been so bearish. But realistically, ideally, you want to be trading. If you want to short, you want to be shorting on a fucking premium. So there's still long ways to go to the premium, you know. Let's look at the 5 minute. Yeah, there's still a long ways to go. This is just pumping, straight pumping. Look at that. Yep, maybe the 50% there. Let me mark it up. Let's mark out the 50%. Delete this ugly ass. Thanks, I appreciate that. Cause my first one lost like 5 days before my con gonna close. I was using around 3 to 6 cons. I was taking like 5, 10 trades a day. Mm, fuck, bro. Honestly, you should cut the number of trades down. Ideally, honestly, if I'm being real, like, bro, you should be taking like one trade a day. Um, if you have like a setup and a trusted strategy, you should be taking one trade per day, not that many. Like I said, fuck the combines. Honestly, this might be wrong, but I treat them like fucking water, though. Like I'm just straight up gambling just to pass them, just to get funding, you know. I mean, you could say I already have a little bit more experience. I know how to treat the fundeds right, and and I don't want to stay too long on the combines because I want to implement the good habits on my funded accounts and not on fake money accounts. But that's the issue too. You don't want to take like more than a month to pass a combine. So trying to be aggressive between 5 to 10 micros, I think is the sweet spot, and you should be aiming for like between 500 to 1K days. If I'm being real, try to pass it in like 3 days or something, or in a week. I passed the one on the funded. I passed it in 2 weeks, trading one mini. So it's definitely doable. Yep, yep, yep. Join the YouTube. Join the YouTube. Join the YouTube boys. Uh, yeah, yeah. Usually I'm only trading in macro times, which is every right here. Oh, right here. Look at the clock right here. Every 45 in the minute. So from 9:45 to 10:15 is where I take trades. From 10:45, 11:15, 10:45, I mean 11:45, 12:15 is where I want to take trades in the macro times. Only in the macro times. Fuck, Doug, I saw that. You in here, bruh? It was definitely very whack, brother. Definitely whack. See, we're waiting. There's gonna be a new 1 hour candle open. Let's see. We'll see what we're gonna do. Let's see if we get an alignment with our bias. Overall, the trend has been very bearish. A bearish trend. Our daily bias tells us we want to look for longs. Let me just look at the weekly just to. Yeah, yeah, that's how it be. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's see what else. What else? We tapped the 50% of that 4 hour fair value gap. Are we just gonna keep fucking pumping? Maybe it's gonna come take Asia, then dump all the way through London. Maybe. Pop, 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 pop. Let me see. Big drop overnight. It's 4:15, 6 p.m. This is Asia right there. And that's a big drop from Asia, bro. Big, big drop. I feel like I engaged too early. Um, Obviously in the hindsight, shit takes out these equal lows to continue to push higher. There was no SMTs at the lows. Retracement into the fair value gap to continue higher. If only I had the bullish bias. It all comes down to the narrative you point in your head. Obviously, reading price action, you can become real good at it, but there's always narrative for both sides of the trade, you know. Nobody really knows where price is going. Um, it's just the narrative you put in your head for real. Still bearish though. I don't like trading against the trend. Um, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. How do y'all like the new stream layout with the chat, with the camera? You like everything's with the time right here? I think it's much better. We're tapping the 50% of the 4 hour fair value gap right now. New 1 hour candle just opened. See what happens. Let's see what happens. I'm following ES closely. ES tapped the 50% as well. Let's see what happens here. Still looks like it wants to pump. Um, there's still some liquidity pools. It's midnight right here. Asia right there. There's definitely still bias and room to continue to push higher. We've been trending up for this macro. There's a unicorn setup at the 3 minute. I failed to see it. Part of the game. Part of the game. Might be looking to take another 250 risk trade. We'll see how it plays out. Might have to wait for the next macro. We ain't stressing. We ain't fucking stressing. What's up? What's up? Come join the YouTube live. We are taking trades live on YouTube. Also, thoughts on FX replay? Do you think it actually helps you pass your funding, or is it? Nah, it's actually very helpful. I have FX replay. Um, Definitely to get my proven edge, I used FX replay to actually confirm that I wasn't crazy and that I can actually be profitable in the markets. Get at least 3 months worth of data on FX replay, or around 30 trades, give or take. Um, with 30 trades, you could see if you have a proven edge. Obviously, the more data you add, okay, we're flipping. Maybe a 5 minute CRT. Shit. Wait for that 5 minute. Um, did catch the move today. Actually, we have the same strategy. You're trading micros, brother. I had a bearish bias. I didn't catch the long. I took a whack ass short. I'm not gonna lie. I was way too zoomed in. Not ideal to start the day, but we don't let it define us. We know what we're doing. I think. Nah, we do. We do. We know what we're doing. We're chilling. We are chilling. And FX replay. What else on FX replay? Yeah, bro. I mean, it's fucking good to begin with. To start with, like once you know what you're looking for, and once you're past that, like I feel like the more hours you put in the charts, the worse you're doing for yourself. Sometimes less is more, and there's even more truth to it in trading because we're taught our whole lives that working hard you get more money, and working hard equals more work equals more money, and in trading it's the complete opposite, bro. The less you do, the better, bro. Honestly, the more you detach from the charts, the more uh you don't click the button, the better you're gonna do in your trading journey, for sure. So FX replay to begin with, to get yourself some type of narrative in your head to take trades. Shit, bro, I want to short now. It's a 42 point stop loss. I think I need to do like 3 micros right here. Target this low. We're gonna wait for that candle close. Oh shit, I don't know how I feel about taking another short. Yes, but 40, not 50. All right, I do 45. I meet you halfway. I do 45 and 15 to be safe. 10 seconds, and we're gonna have CRT, bro. I can't pass up on this. Wait, are we gonna have CRT?
Order filled.
Well, here goes nothing. Here goes nothing. Want to see big displacement? What's up, Nico? What's up, brother? Doing fine, thank you. What about yourself, bro? Well, not so fine. I think I'm marrying a bias too much. I think I'm forcing shorts too much, but let's see if it plays out. We're still in the macro. We tapped the 50% of a 4 hour. I'm good, can't complain. Been on the charts 2 weeks, nearly ready to return. Been off the charts for 2 weeks. Oh, bro, you detoxed. You detoxed off that thing, bro. That's honestly real good. I mean, we're gonna hold with high conviction. Um, if we get stopped out, this is the last trade I'm gonna take for today. Um, hopefully we get some more continuation to the downside. but I want to see it continue displace lower. It's resisting. There's definitely still like bullish bias. We want to see that rejection off that 4 hour fair value gap. It's struggling though. It's very much struggling. We're holding with high conviction. Um, I've been working a lot of myself on rewiring my patience, my trades, my oh boy, yeah, we're just gonna get stopped out. Shorts was not the play. Yes, it's pumping. Yes, already took the high. Hopefully it's SMT. I love your work and I know you're gonna make it, bro. Good luck. I'm done for the day. Thanks, bro. I appreciate you. Let's keep in touch. Shoot me a message when you can, bro. Let's review some strats for sure, bro. Thanks. I appreciate you, brother. So ES took the high. NQ still does not take the high. Hopefully that SMT stands and we flush lower. Good luck, have fun. What's up, my boy Lalo? I see you grinding, bruh. What's Gucci? We got 17 views on the. I don't know how real this is though. It says I got 17 views on the stream. ES took the high with an SMT. We want to see this displaced lower, bruh. We're holding though with high conviction because we already clicked the button. You gotta die with high conviction, bro. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. I call it a day, upload the video, and continue on with my life. It is not the end of the world if we get stopped out. In the end, what I would journal is that I had a incorrect bias, incorrect narrative. ES still looks like it wants to pump. ES is trading inside the highs. We want to see that SMT hold. We want to see that SMT hold at the high. There's a big fight right now between buyers and sellers. I don't think they know where to push the price towards. We've reached 50% of an imbalance. ES is still pushing to make new highs, while NQ is holding. What most likely is going to happen is that NQ will follow ES steps unless ES reverses, which it doesn't look like it wants to reverse. But we're holding. We had the balls to click the button. We got to hold with high conviction. You got to die on that hill, bruh. We want to see ES push lower, bro. Is mainly what we want to see. Besides NQ, obviously. Because ES is still trying to make new highs. While NQ is just ranging, maintaining itself. We want to see ES reverse. We don't want to see ES put more new highs. NQ still holding that SMT. But it could very well just follow what ES is doing, because ES still wants to put new highs. Like I said, we're holding with high conviction because we already had the balls to click the button. So now we just gotta accept the risk, bro. You gotta accept it. Nobody really knows where price is going. Everything's in our head. It's the narrative we build to trade, but nobody really knows what's going on. Nobody knows where price is gonna go. It's all risk management. And we're most likely gonna get stopped out, and I'm gonna call it a day. ES is pushing for new highs. And we're definitely expecting to get stopped out here. Because it's just pumping. Because it's just pumping. We want to see a red candle. If we still got any hope in this trade. By red, I mean black. We want to see a print to the downside. ES is still trying to make new highs. The SMT still holding, making it a protected high. There's already a massive SMTs at where my stop loss is. And Q still holding it. We're holding with high conviction because we already had the balls to click the button. We have to die on that hill. Alright, I'm gonna end the stream because my phone's about to die. I mean, the live stream on Insta, not on YouTube. Because we're still in a trade, obviously. Y'all are witnesses to my trading journey. I'm completely exposed to you all. And we're holding with high conviction because we're delusional. Yes, looks like it still doesn't want to reverse or nothing. Looks like it wants to put new highs. It's been a it's been a tough hold, but we're still holding. ES still looks like it wants to make new highs, bro. No signs of reversing from ES. It's the main one I'm looking at. NQ just follows whatever it does. But we're holding with high conviction. If we get stopped out, I'm calling it a day, ending the stream. I'm gonna edit the reel, upload it, and go on with my life. It's not the end of the world. My bias was incorrect if we get stopped out. Um, I've been, like I said, having a bit of issues with the trend, trading with the trend or counter trending, but um, that's been like the main struggle I've been having. But we want to see ES reverse, not put in new highs. We want to see ES reverse, and hopefully NQ will follow. Hopefully it's gonna let me adjust my stop loss, giving me another trade for the day. I'm not counting on it though. Not counting on it though. This ES does not look like it wants to reverse. And I honestly can't believe we've been holding my stop loss for this long. But we're holding with high conviction. We're most likely gonna get stopped out. Um, it's not the end of the world if we get stopped out. I just call it a day, edit the reel, go on with my life, come back tomorrow with a fresh mind. My bias was incorrect. If we get stopped out, we're still holding here. A lot of tug of war between buyers and sellers. But there's no reason to not think that this is gonna continue pushing up. Um, Currently we're in a 4-hour FVG. I was thinking for a retracement inside the 4-hour FVG. That obviously never happened since I had a bearish bias. We're most likely gonna get stopped out here unless ES decides to reverse magically. But ES still wants to push. It still wants to make new highs. Yep, yep. We're out.
Order filled.
We are out, boys. Two incorrect shorts, wrong bias. Shit. In hindsight, you could say it's obvious that it's gonna keep going up and up and up to the end of times. I don't know if disrespecting this 4-hour, maybe coming and taking this one instead. But New York wants to pump. New York for sure wants to pump. How How likely is it that I stay for the next macro? I don't know, man. I don't know, man. Um, this is inside a 4 hour. Let's look at the 5 minute liquidity sweep. This could just be a liquidity grab. This is like forever model type shit, but if we add other confluences like premium discount, we're definitely not in a premium. Damn, is it really gonna start reversing here? This is textbook forever model, bro, and you could have definitely waited. Now we're switching bearish. Oh my god. Might be too early to tell, but have a liquidity sweep inside a higher time frame PD array. The initial trend bias is bearish, or it might just be longs, and that's that. Wrong bias, and that's that. I was expecting at least for London lows to get taken before a major push into the upside, since we dumped like 400 points in the overnight session. So now we're getting signs that it wants to reverse. We'll see what happens. We'll stick around another 15 minutes for the next macro. We'll see what happens if I risk one more trade. It's starting to reverse. Yep. We're watching closely still. Oh my god. Let's look at the 5 minute. Nasty. 15. Yeah, bro, there's still a lot of room to go higher. Like a lot. We're not even we're actually at the 50%. We're at equilibrium of the range. So I wouldn't be surprised if like we start inversing here. We wait, we're waiting for the next macro. Another 15 minutes. Go grab your coffee and shit. Bro, it's fucking cold in here and I can't find the other remote. We might be cooked. There we go. We did it. So now it's starting to fucking reverse in my face, bro. In my fucking face. Might be going through it. Might crash out right here. Live on stream. And like this looks like a fucking clear A plus forever model. We tap into the 4 hour liquidity sweep inside the higher time frame PD array, changing the state of delivery. Ah, painful. I just want to short again, but I'm not going to. But I just wanna. But I'm not going to. But I definitely want to short here. Psych. I'm not going to short, by the way. I'm not gonna do it. Because it's not macro time. Just because of that, I'm not shorting. That's how we be sometimes. That's how we be. We have a clear no, it's not really clear yet, if I'm being real. So we had a change in state right there. You wanna see this get rated as well? Towards the downside. Hopefully in the macro we get an entry for the downside. Um how likely is it that we take midnight, that we take Asia highs? I don't fucking know, bro. Nobody knows. Nobody fucking knows. See what happens in the macro time. I'll play chess live on stream. Just cause. Just cause I can. 3 minute blitz. Shit, I fucked up. Oh, he spares my life. Wait, what? Damn, I dumb fucked up. We're still pumping. Fuck. Fucked up again. GG's. About to start the macro. Let's look at the 4 hour. Already left a big ass wick. It's looking to continue to pump. We're still holding this bearish FVG. Our bias is still, excuse, our higher time frame bias is bearish. Looking for a real change in the state, or like, what does it want to do? Does it want to continue to pump? Because yeah, we've just like barcoded, kinda. No, yeah, we definitely barcoded after delivering and reaching the 4 hour fair value gap. There's also definitely a 1 hour. Yeah, the 1 hour that's getting held. CRT right there. Could it be a sign for earlier entry? I don't fucking know, man. There's SMT right here. Is there SMTs at the lows? Still expecting price to go lower. My bias is still bearish in the higher time frame. CRT entry was the way to go right there. We're still hoping towards this draw. Damn, maybe it's a little dreamy, but we'll see. Macro just started. Might be another CRT entry right here. Hopefully this low gets rated. See what happens. Let's see what happens. Or maybe I'm just marrying a bias, you know? This is a nasty 5 minute, by the way. But I have such a bearish bias. I guess I would like to see this get rated into, and then maybe we could tap into the unicorn or something. We already inverse an FEG there. Um, Hopefully this closes with CRT. We're expecting that push lower. Yep, it was the CRT entry right there. I love me some hindsight. I love me some fucking hindsight. Look at that. Early entry. We're getting another change of the state right here. The final boss, the final change in the state is over here. ES is starting to inverse as well. Let's see what happens. About to get a 5 minute CRT. Sheesh. And we're getting the last change in the state right there. To me, it definitely looks like it wants to inverse. Now it's just about finding the entry model. Because we missed the CRT entry over here. Maybe if we tap into this unicorn and respect it, that could be our entry. We're probably not going to tap, we're just going to dump, huh? Or I could enter off the 5-minute CRT, but we're so overextended. So overextended. Yeah, maybe I'll just enter off unicorn if we retrace. Yeah, because that's the 5-minute CRT right there. Let's see what happens. Tapping into the unicorn. Shit, bro. I so want to short this. Yeah, but we're gonna have to adjust.
Order filled.
All right. It's gonna be the real test holding that 5-minute. We want to see the slow get tapped. It's resisting, but we want to see it continue to displace. You want to see it continue displacing lower. Wow, we want to see that big drop coming. We want to see that big flush. We want to see it inverse at 5 minute. Beautiful. Want to see it keep flushing lower, keep flushing lower. We might move to break even. We're already at a 101. We're moving. We're definitely moving here. Yeah, we're moving for sure. Make this a risk-free trade. You want to see it continue to flush lower. Let's mark out these lows. We've inversed the 5 minute. You want to see it continue flushing. Price delivery sufficient. We want to see it take the sell side. Beautiful flush. Beautiful flush. Look at that. Keep going. Come on. Look at the 5 minute. Still 2 minutes for candle close. We want to see that get inversed. We want to see it continue lower. It's wicking. It's wicking. It's normal though. Normal reactions. We still want to see the flush lower. This is a risk-free trade. We're just gonna let it play out. Let it happen. Let's look at the 5 minute. We don't want to see it close above. We want to see it close below. It's starting to reject though. Oh, that's such a re-entry signal if we continue to respect that. That is such an entry signal right there. A re-entry. See what happens. We're waiting. We're chilling. Normal. This is like just normal retracement stuff. There's about to be a new candle open. 1 hour. Hopefully we close below that 5 minute fair value gap. We might not, or we might. 3 seconds. We did. New candle open. We might get stopped out at break even. Holy fuck. Holy fuck indeed, sir. Maybe I moved my stop loss too soon to break even. Chill, chill. Chill, please, daddy, chill. Don't take me out. Don't take me out. Don't take me out. Don't take me out. No, wait, 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 wait. Don't take me out. Don't take me out. Just leave. Leave the zone. Leave the zone. Leave the area. Leave the fucking area, bro. Get away from my fucking stop loss. Alright, that was the wick. That was the wick. Now go lower. Now go lower. I'm begging. There we are. We're
Order
out.
filled.
We out at break even, boys. Fuck, maybe we moved too soon. I mean, at the end, this 5 minute did not get inversed. Tapping into this unicorn. Maybe we could flip the bias if we inverse. We're probably gonna hold. And it's probably gonna go to my TP after stopping me at break even. Should I revenge trade? I don't know about that. Look at that beautiful stop at break even, and it's gonna inverse beautifully all the way to my TP. It's rejecting that 5 minute unicorn entry. If we inverse, do we give it another stab? Oh my bias is so buried.
Order filled.
There goes nothing, boys. Oh, I'm already kind of low key, high key regretting this. Oh boy, we're just gonna get chopped out. We're just gonna get chopped out. This is not good. Damn, that was a whack entry. Look at that. At the very bottom. We got a good closer and rejection. You want to see how 5 minute pushes lower. I'm so married with my bias, bro. This is actually not good. Do we want to see it tap the 5 minute again? Probably not. We want to see that get displaced lower. Come on, dump, baby, dump. Well, we're getting some good rejections. Just dump. We're getting good rejections. They should just dump, you know? Oh my, oh my. Charge my phone. You want to see a dump, bro? Fucking dump. We're so married with the buys, bro. I don't like this. I don't fucking like this. Keeps rejecting though. It keeps rejecting with big wicks. You want to see a dump? Come on. You want to see a fucking dump? Another good rejection. You want to see that continuation lower now? How many times is this shit gonna get rejected? How many more fucking times is this gonna get rejected for real? Just dumb, bro. I know you want to. See that push lower. Let's see that push lower. Come on. Come on. Yes is the one that's fucking with me. You wanna see it dumb, bro? Yes, it's just playing games. It keeps tapping and rejecting, tapping and rejecting. What else do you want? It's resisting to go lower, but it's resisting to go higher. Big tug of war. You want to see that push lower. We want to see us push lower. Come on. Push, push, dump, or whatever. You want to see us dump lower, bro. Nice displacement now. Nice displacement. Keep going now. Keep going. Yes is following up beautifully. We want to see that continue. We want to see that continuation lower. God, this thing is playing games with me, bro. High volume incoming. Oh, this thing's playing games. Where does it want to go? Where does it want to go? Patience and detachment. We're detached, kinda. We want. It's not delivering efficiently, you know. Kind of sketched out. In theory, I would like to see the Asian lows get taken, bro. London lows get taken. But ES is just doing some weird shit, bro. I mean, I'm liking that it's failing to go higher. Just as I say that, it's starting to go higher. See what happens. It's big volume, but it's failing to go higher. I want to see that dump. Yeah, yeah, that's where the big volume is going. There's definitely, yeah, I saw the SMT, but I'm just figuring that ES will follow. That ES is gonna take those lows. That's what I'm hoping. There we go, there we go. Keep displacing lower. Dump, dump. ES is just playing tricks, bro. Just keep dumping. Keep dumping lower. Let me read the manuscript a little bit while the trade is going on. I am a professional trader. I move with purpose, not emotion. My job is not to predict. My job is to react with discipline. Yes, push lower, bro. It's playing tricks, it's playing games. It's still holding that SMT. Big volume incoming. But it's not going higher, you know? That's the thing, bro. Like I just know it wants to dump. Big volume comes and it fails to push the price higher, but it's closing with bullish candles. Oh no. Some more big volume. Oh boy, oh boy. Yes is doing a whole lot of tricks, I'll tell you that much, bro. All I want to see is the fucking dump. You want to see that dump. We want to see those lows get taken. We want to see Asia low get taken. We want to see that dump. Come on. I need ES to take those lows. Dump. Come on. Keep dumping. We're hodling. Yes, it's playing games, bro. Like it just wants the barcode there. It's for sure gonna dump after that. ES is the one holding, bro. Once we break those lows, it should be a fucking pitfall. But ES is holding, it's playing tricks. It's playing tricks on it. Need ES to break those lows. Break that low specifically. Still holding it. It's playing a whole lot of tricks. You want to see that ES low get taken. It's resisting so hard to. There's a lot of orders there. There's been a lot of volume. You want to see ES break that low. There you go. There you go. Yeah, that's where I move to break even, if I'm being real. Because he has already took that low. We're moving to break even. But we're obviously holding with high conviction. We want to see the dump continue, bro. ES is still playing tricks, though. Like, let me see a dump. Let me see it rip through. Let me see some efficient price action. Come on. Come on, bro. We want to see a dump. Come on, ES. Come on, ES. Come on. ES still wants to hold, bro. It's painful. Now, yeah, ES is playing too many games, bro. Like, am I just gonna get stopped out here? That would be painful and sad. Like, NQ actually wants to keep going lower, but ES is just holding it back, you know? That's why NQ is better. That's why NQ is. ES is just resisting to break that low. It's doing whatever it can not to break it. Like, we get it, bro. You don't want to go lower. We get it. But it must. Damn, I'm just rambling here. I'm actually losing my mind. There's big volume, and yes, like it's printing bullish candles, but it's not doing anything with it. We want to see that dump, bro. Just dump. Break that low, bro. Break that low. Break that low. Come on. Just keeps edging it. That's a tough. That's probably like the strongest low I've ever seen in my life. Like it just keeps edging that low on ES. Even with all the big volume. Because I know once it breaks it, it's just gonna like rip through everything. But it's resistant. It's resistant. You want to see a strong break on that low. It keeps edging it, bro, and I'm getting edged here. Holy fuck. Getting edged on stream is crazy, bruh. Like that low does ES is holding that SMT with its dear life. And there's big volume coming in again and it's resisting. Like it's honestly fucking funny. Big volume again. And then more bullish candles printing. It doing everything but take that low, dog. We're gonna get edged again. I just know it. You love to see it. Yes, holding on to that SMT with dear life. And it's holding it. It might just reverse. Big volume incoming, bullish candles printing. And it's the same thing. It's going nowhere. Big volume and it goes nowhere. It's fucking resisting that low so hard. Just break it. Like, how many times is that shit gonna get edged, bro? Just break the low. End the misery. Like, y'all should be actively looking at ES, what the fuck it's doing right now. It doesn't want to break the low. It just keeps edging it. Just know once we break the low, break it, pierce through it, pierce through that low, dog. Don't just sweep it, just pierce it. A lot of resistance, a lot of resistance. Yeah, I mean, it took that low, but are we gonna retrace? Should I adjust my stop loss? I don't know. Fucking yes, playing games, dog. Well, there's no SMT no more. That SMT's gone. Hopefully we pitfall straight towards the south side. And again, high volume incoming, bullish candles printing. It's the same story with ES. Anything but dumping. Big volume. Big volume and big wick again. Yes, what the hell are we doing, buddy? I know NQ wants to go lower, bro. And there we go. Some more big volume with more bullish candles printing. Take profit, bro, and start again. Ugh. Little late for that. A little late for that, not gonna lie. And we're gonna take another fucking break even trade. Oh, painful a little bit. Just a little bit though. Just so petty, bro. Like I just want the draw to be lower, you know? And I'm so married with that narrative. So married with the narrative. But we're most likely gonna get stopped out at break even here. That is not a good candle. And we're gonna get a crazy close. We're gonna get a new 30-minute candle to open. And all we want to see is a displacement lower. We just want to see a dump. High volume, very high volume. I'm looking at ES real close, real close. Big high volume. We did not like that previous candle close. We're most likely gonna get stopped at break even. I'm not closing. Do you trade gold? I just shorted gold. Nah, all I trade is NQ, bro. Do you trade gold futures or do you trade Forex? Yeah, we're definitely gonna get stopped out here. Painful, painful. Futures. ES is tapping into a 1 minute high volume FVG bearish. Hopefully we see a rejection off that. Maybe I'm just coping, which is most likely the latter. We want to see that dump still. I'm also second day in my funded account in Top Step. Cheers, brother. Hopefully you're having a better day than me. Hopefully you're having a better day than me. We missed an early entry on the 5 minute, on the 1 minute. We got stopped out at break even and then we re-entered the trade. And this is that re-entry. We're at break even again. But I'm still expecting the drawn liquidity to be lower. I'm still expecting that draw to be lower, bro. Yesterday minus 250, today positive. Let's fucking go, brother. Get that consistency. We want to see ES inverse that FVG at only limit loss to 50. That's fucking good. I have no loss limit as of now. But I've been very disciplined with since I'm recording and there's a lot of people watching. Can't blow my account in one day. Man, ES is so weird, bro. Pissed me off. It's just playing with my feelings, bro. Like all the women out there. The limit loss I break accounts, bro. Same, dog. Same. I'm not gonna lie. recording myself has helped me tremendously. I'm not gonna lie, as well. But bro, ES is just doing whatever. Is this even worth it? Like moving lower? I don't even know, bro. Another long hold, bro, just to be a break even is painful. It's Spain without the S, bro. Let me just see ES inverse that, please. Just take me out already, bro. Just take me out. Like, just go somewhere. Just fucking go somewhere for real. Just stop me out. Stop me out already. God, I hate chop, bro. And we're out real soon. We are out real soon here.
Order filled.
And we are out. It inversed. Is it gonna give us the delivery in the last macro? I wouldn't count on it. Let me see. These lows. Did not. Neither of these lows got take. Oh, yeah. There's massive SMT right here. ES still wants to push higher. Looks like. Still resisting to go higher. It's just playing tricks. Just to take me out and continue lower to where the draw is. Maybe. One more macro to go. Neither Asia low, I mean London low or Asia high have been taken. There's massive SMT here, bullish. Still not buying it. I'm still bearish, bro. Macro's about to start in a few. Holding the 30-minute FVG. This is my draw. We missed an early entry up here in the macro. We're inversing now. Like, it's just so obvious to me. Where's my Lambo? Alright, we're gonna wait for the new 15-minute. Let me see how does the 15-minute look. We've already inversed the 15-minute. Still leaving big ass wicks. Like, we shorted here. We got stopped out. Shorted here and we got stopped out. Waiting for that 15-minute. It's resisting. Two more minutes for the 15-minute candle. We're gonna wait for that while I play a bullet. Now all of a sudden everybody I plays a demigod and shit. Might have to flag Brody. Oh, that's a big mistake. Whack. Let's fucking go. Uh, all right, the 15-minute. Let me see. God, it's so nasty, bro. Do I just preserve capital here? It's so obvious though. The draw's lower. Left the wick. Oh, I'm not gonna enter because it's whack. They're like there's no entry model. But leave that 15-minute wick just to display slower. It's just so obvious. Where's my Lambo, bro? This is fucking nasty PA, I'm not gonna lie. Like it came to that 50%, like I said, and it dumped, like I said. And look at my fucking P&L, bro. Fucking disgusting. This is definitely a data journal, bro. Oh, we missed out on the entry again. I mean, there was really no entry, I guess, but you had a clear 15-minute power of 3. We definitely know where price wants to go. Can we capitalize though? Can we capitalize? So fucking unfortunate, bro. It was the 5-minute CRT here that was the entry. Just looking at hindsight, it's my favorite sport. That was the trade. This was the trade. Like it's so obvious it's gonna go for that London low. But how do I capitalize on that information? Since we're already so deep within the range. I'm not too sure about shorting on a discount, but it's just so painfully obvious, bro. It's tough watching it go without you, you know? Short break even, because of this bullshit. Um, let's see if the 12 a.m. candle open presents anything. If not, we're just gonna watch price go without us, and we missed out on a big day. We're tapping into this FVG. There's still massive SMT with ES tapping into an a 5 minute FVG. Cause could we inverse? Wait, is this OTE? Hold on. Wait. Am I switching my bias? There's just no way, right? The draw is definitely lower. OTE, but there's just no way. Like we're definitely going for London. ES is not even close to taking these lows. Like not even close. But to me, it looks like London lows is the magnet. We're on OTE after we pushed. I mean, the higher time frame is bearish. How would you interpret this? FBG. ES is very well still in the higher time frame. Bullish PD arrays. Like there's still bullish narrative to go off on. I'm actually, damn, that's crazy. I'm actually gonna try some longs. Mm, that's crazy though. Is it crazy? That's kind of crazy. CRT. Let's do one
Order
con.
filled.
Yeah, it's just no way. That was way too crazy. Lows taken. Yes, had good liquidity sweep right there. SMT's at the lows. Bullish trend. A lot of highs at the top. hold up. Are we gonna load the shotgun with some more cons or no? We might have caught the turtle soup. We're gonna wait for the 1 hour candle open in 5 minutes. Cause there's no way we got the turtle soup right. Definitely looks like we did though. Like tapping perfectly into OTE, into a liquidity sweep, into an SMT, into a higher time frame PD array. Mm, trading with the trend, which was bullish since open, 9:30. We just printed. Are we loading the shotgun shell with more cons is the question though. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. Wait for 3 minute IFVG. That's a great call, brother. Still holding it. Look, might be London. London is the draw, bro. This is just a test. Like, there's no way London goes untapped. Just fade me, bro.
Order filled.
Womp womp womp. Still holding. Ah, this is just playing games, bro. Like, it's fucking with me. Ah, it's so painful, bro. It's so painful. Missed out on a big move. Still holding that 5 minute. It's still holding. Like, realistically, the next 1 hour looks to be the one that takes. London lows and price is so fucking heavy. There's still SMTs at the lows. There's still holding that fair value gap. We're trying to capitalize. 2 minutes. Let me take a piss. Hold up. BRB. Longs are back on the menu, boys. We full porting this shit or not? We crash out live or not? No? Of course not. Alright, let's not crash out live. Alright, you're right, brother. Let me relax a little bit. Bro, thank you so much for being here, Doug. That's crazy. Just so bummed out, you know. This is designed to just get off the charts. Like I missed the trade. Bias was correct. Um, the trade idea was correct. We rebalanced the 4 hour FVG that we displaced lower. That's exactly what I thought. But the first half was bullish. Just couldn't capitalize. Where the fuck's my Lambo at? You know. In theory, my take profit was gonna be London low. That's what I'm expecting the draw to be. I know that feeling. Don't do it. You know, there's so yes time to stop TBH tomorrow. Fresh mind. You might be on to something, bruh. You're stopping me from having a crash out. I just want to punish myself, you know. Like I just wanna see how I watched the CRT print straight in my face and did absolutely nothing about it. That's like a gazillion points right there. We're still holding that. It's definitely gonna get inverse though. Such a choppy way to the bottom too. And fucking ES is just barcoding bullish, bro. I hate ES so much. Still massive bullish SMT on ES. Like what are we doing, boys? Like what are we actually doing? Let's look at the 1 hour. So we have no top wick in the 1 hour. We just dumped. How likely is it that we just wick off the volume? Pretty stale. I mean, the draw's gotta be fucking London low. Like, I just want to see it get taken just so I could sleep at night, even if I don't capitalize. Still holding bullish. Our macro window's about to end though. Our macro window is finna end. Two more 5 minute candles to print. I just want to see London Low get taken. Everything is bleeding today. Just go short with light hand and let it go. Fuck, bro. I think the right thing is just not to interact anymore unless it's a lock. Nah, the right thing is definitely not to interact. Like I just want to see it tap the London Low, bro. Just so I could cry myself to sleep. I'm only kidding though, no emotions. But fuck. One of those days where you just fuck it up, you know? Still holding. It's holding bullish. Let's see if it inverses. You still have two 5 minute candles left for the macro. Still holding that 5 minute. Like if it inverses, do I short on the fucking discount, bro? Like it's going. It's bleeding. It's going for that London low. So painful. So painful, bro. Just want to see that London low get swept. We missed out on a couple big moves, bro. At least the group capitalized on the shorts. The group capitalized on the fucking shorts, and we're here just watching it bleed and print and play before our eyes. I'm about to enter, not gonna lie.
Order filled.
Nah, that's terrible. Terrible entry. Ugh, so nasty. Yeah, this is not good. Small hand. The last 5 minutes. Oh boy. Yeah, minus 200, it's a win. We're for sure tapping London, no, or no? Like, we're for sure tapping London, no?
Order filled.
Let's try something risky. You want to see that draw? Well, that was very bold. Very bold, very bold. Wait, chill, chill, chill. Take it, take it.
Order filled.
Damn, that's fucking crazy. Damn it, actually, it's gonna go for everything. Hoo-wee. It's good. gonna go for everything, bro. Fuck. Oh, that was so stressful though. It went for everything. Shit. Damn, that's wild, bro. Painful, pain. Like that was the most painful I've had for 150, dog. With correct bias, with fucking everything, bro. Still positive. That was so like painful though. You see if I could put the calendar here. That's what it's looking like. Ah, so painful, bro. Bro, thanks for sticking by the chat, not gonna lie. It went for London though. We still good, we in positive. You did risk to lose more 400, but I did well for sure, bro. For sure. This is let me journal it right here with you, actually. So initially for the day, like our bias was bearish for the whole day, and I took a early short here. I don't even know what the fuck I was thinking, honestly. Cause I had seen CRT somewhere. Yeah, yeah. I took that short, but I already journaled that. Um, what have you journaled? Minus 250, which was that first one, and then we took another short on this inverse right here. I love catching the bottom, and we got stopped out with another 250 loss right here. Let me screenshot. What time was this? It's at the end of the macro. It's 9:50. Yeah, yeah. This is like a big journal learning curve thing. Our bias was bearish. We took two trades in the first macro, which is a big mistake. 250 minus 250. Let's see for the first one. It it was correct and painfully obvious I couldn't capitalize. I took the retracement first macro was bullish. Then for the second trade, took in the same macro, huge mistake since price had delivered as tended in the macro. Bullish. Price just came back to your entry. Sheesh. A big rebalance. Oof. Great time to long right here on this inverse. Oh, I want a long. I want a long. Let's long. Let's long. Let's long. Let me long. No, yeah, we're done. No, we're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. Lock me out. Lock me out of here. Damn, bro. What is wrong with me, bro? No long. Oh, wait. What would I do without the camera, bro? Just a quick 101. Just for the dopamine, bro. All right. Let's continue with the journal. It was that one. We got stopped out, as we said, and then we waited for the next macro, which was correct. Uh, we missed out. I'll just journal that. I'm not gonna say I'll just journal that. And we got stopped at break even here. So painful, bro. From the beginning, this was the initial draw. This was the trade. So painful. Yellow, bearish. Next macro, we took an IFVG short with the trend. We risked 250 again, and the result was like $20. Missed out on a 5-minute CRT entry, which we didn't take out of fear, out of fear of price going to continue bullish. Have a nice day, bro. See you. Thanks, brother. Appreciate you. Catch you tomorrow. Price didn't continue bullish. CRT, which we didn't take out of fear of price going to continue bullish. Instead, we took a late IFVG, which we moved our stop loss way too early as price ended up delivering as we initially intended.
you